Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got another nice recipe, an easy recipe, chicken pasta. There's lots of ways of making pasta, so I'm going to show you the one and we'll get straight into it. Okay, so we'll make a start. So I'm going to start by adding some water. Bismillah. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add the pasta. Now I've got 1 plate of pasta. Bismillah. Just make sure all the pasta's under water and then let it boil away until it goes nice and soft. Okay, the pasta is about 90% cooked now. Look at that, it's breaking up. So what I'm going to do now is add some plain noodles, half a plate, half a cup, whatever you got. Half of what you had of the pasta. So the noodles are gone in now, give that a bit of a mix. They don't take too long anyway. The noodles will get cooked quite quick and go nice and soft. And then by then the pasta will be about 100% done. Okay, now the pasta and the noodles are nice and soft and the pasta's puffed up as well. Just take the pasta and the noodles out and put them to the side. And if there's any water in it, like I said, just rinse it out. Okay guys, so the pasta's done and I've rinsed it and I've put it to the side. So I'm going to start making the chicken now. Okay, for this you're going to need half a cup of oil. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And I'm going to add 1 diced onion. 1 medium onion, that is. And you'll cook that till it's a nice golden brown. Once the onions go nice golden brown, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of ginger, finely cut ginger. Once the ginger goes a nice golden brown, I'm going to add 2 cut tomatoes. I'm just going to sprinkle some water in it to help the tomatoes cook. Once the tomatoes start going slightly soft, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste, I'm using 1 teaspoon. Then give that a good mix so everything's nicely mixed in, that oil and the water and the tomatoes. Everything's nicely mixed in. Let it cook for a bit. Once you give it a good mix, I'm going to sprinkle it with a bit of water again. And once that's cooked for about a couple of minutes and the tomatoes have gone soft, I'm going to add the chicken. Now I've got diced chicken here, chicken breast, 1 plateful. Just mix it all in now. I've cut them to a die size so they cook quicker. The chicken breast cooks quite quick anyway. I haven't added any more water, just sprinkled it with that water because the chicken, the tomatoes have released their own water and the chicken will get cooked in that. The chicken breast will. Okay, I've been cooking this for a bit now and the chicken's about 90% cooked. So now it's 90% cooked, I'm going to add the coriander, about half a cup. And give that a mix then. Smells absolutely beautiful, this does. Beautiful way of cooking pasta, it's quick and easy. After I've added the coriander and give it a bit of a mix, I'm going to add the sweet corn. You can use tinned sweet corn, frozen sweet corn, even fresh sweet corn if you've got time to take it off the cob. But I'm using frozen sweet corn. This 1 plate. And give that a good mix there. Make sure all the pasta and the chicken is nicely mixed in. Absolutely beautiful that. Look at that. Smells gorgeous that does. And that's fabulous. Once I've added the pasta in and give it a good mix, I'm going to add the pasta sauce, half a plate of pasta sauce. Give that a good mix. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Once I put the pasta sauce in and I've given it a good mix, I'm going to add the pasta now, what we got ready earlier. The pasta and the noodles. Bismillah. And then give it a good mix. Look at that. Absolute beautiful this is, I tell you. Tastes absolutely awesome. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Once I put the pasta and the noodles in and I've given it a good mix, because the pasta and noodles were cooked, that's it then. We leave it in there for a couple of minutes, and literally a couple of minutes. And then that's it. Turn it off and it's done. That's it then. So all cooked, and I'll take it out and I'll show you. Bismillah. Look at that. Beautiful. MashaAllah guys, the pasta's ready. And it's so easy to do, so you must have a go at this guys, and it tastes absolutely beautiful. Look at the steam coming off that, and look how it looks. Beautiful, smells lovely as well. And there's lots of ways of making pasta, and this is one of them, but stay tuned for other ways also, other recipes coming soon. And please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum.